Alright everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic, how to use private browsing on your Mac. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. First up, we'll tackle Safari. To get the private browsing ball rolling, you gotta open Safari, obviously. Now, head on up to the top system menu and click on File. In that drop-down menu, look for New Private Window, and give it a click. Oh, and pro tip, you can use the keyboard shortcuts too, if you're feeling fancy. Boom! A new private browsing window pops up, and you can browse just like normal. See? Easy peasy. Now, let's switch gears to Google Chrome. Same basic idea. Open Google Chrome first. Then, just like with Safari, go to File in the top system menu. In the drop-down, you're looking for New Incognito Window. Keyboard shortcuts work here too, of course. Alternatively, if you're feeling adventurous, click on those three little dots in the top right corner of Chrome. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find New Incognito Window there as well. Click it. And there you have it, your incognito window is ready to go. Browse to your heart's content. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. We'll see you in the next one.